Hi everyone, it's me here, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a really quick Ipsy Glam or Ipsy Plus. I don't know, I have it listed down below. Unboxing for this month. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this theme is Dive In. How cute. I've been in the pool. First one is Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. This one's $15. I have never used this brand. It's supposed to have oils in it, and I am an oily skin type, so I'm not sure how this is gonna be. But everything I have on, like primer, foundation, and stuff, is mattifying. So I will give it a go once I see what else we have. The next is a moisturizer from Pureless. I don't know. I probably am saying that wrong. Antioxidant priming moisturizer with matcha green tea. 45 bucks. Sensitive skin. Okay. Lightweight oil-free moisturizer that hydrates and preps your skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles. Okay. While white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants soothe the skin and retain moisture. Now I wish I would have waited, because I still want to try this right now. That sounds really cool. Okay, I'm actually intrigued. $45. Then is the Naked Cosmetics. I was trying to open this up prior to get all the individual things out. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4 pigment pieces. These are $40. But I couldn't get them out. And they all look like shimmers. So, oh wait, here we go. Oh, now I get it. Okay. See, I was trying to be prepared for this part, but I wasn't, and I already did my eyes. So, the shades, see if we have names. Sierra Nevada. I don't know if you could see through there. That looks like a little, rose gold. Then we have Naturally Nude, which is more of a warmer toned gold. And then we have two darker shades. One is like a pewter. Did I? Oh, wait. Okay, so there's two named Sierra Nevada, but their numbers are different. One is SN02, one is SN04. The second one is that pewter shade, and that's SN04, and this is SN02, which is the first shade that I named. Those are the difference. Okay, and then the last one is also Sierra Nevada, SN05. Okay, I guess that's all right. Whatever. It's more like a brown. These pigments, 4-piece pigment set, retails for $40. Made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. Highly pigmented, finely milled. Okay. I don't know. I don't really use loose stuff, so. But okay. Gonna try it. I was so excited to find out that I was getting this product in my box. Or that they were doing even this brand, because this is my first item ever that I've owned from this brand, which is Huda Beauty. Oh, I've been wanting to get my hands on something of theirs, and I'm so glad that they gave it to us this month. It's a 3D highlighter palette in bronze sands. Retails for $45. Okay, so there's like several steps to do. But I did get mine damaged. I was not too thrilled. I was trying to press it, like this was completely cracked, and I was trying to press it back in, but I mean, I'm happy I got it. Was I thrilled that it was broken? No, it wasn't, but you know, I'm still gonna use it, and yeah, so that's that. And then the last one really quick, the highlighter, I'm sorry, that was $45. I don't know if I said that. The last one is mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. But Liquid Lash Extensions mascara in Bryn. Oh, this is heavy. I like the packaging. It feels really durable. Had I known that there was mascara in here, I wouldn't have put on mascara already, but whatever. This retails for $24. I really like this. Like, it feels, it has some weight to it, that's for sure. I'm going to really quick put on the highlighter. Okay. So, it says, I love this little thing. Okay, that's really thick, by the way. Prep is apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light, I don't know how to read, reflecting pearls. Okay, so that's this shade for me. So that's what I'm gonna do, I guess. Oh, see now, okay, I thought these are all highlighters. They are not. One is a blush. I'm gonna read out the steps. Okay, so you put the first shade down, then the second is the one that broke. You dab Maldives from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. 3, sculpt. So this is a shimmer. I would never use this to sculpt this one. Apply Aruba under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. I already did my little sculpt, so. And then 4 is flush, sweet Barbara on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. I am just gonna use the first 2 shades, and another day I will play with the bottom 2, like as a step, because yeah, I already set my face. Okay, the first is a cream. I'm a little nervous because I already set my makeup and stuff. Ooh. And I have to go out too in like a few minutes, so this will be interesting. But okay, I'm gonna dab it. I'm gonna do as they said. Okay, I'm already regretting my decision. It's a pretty shade though. But yeah, I am trying to blend this out. It's kind of, no, I don't know. I mean, you could see it. It's not blending in right, but I'm not mad at it. And then step 2 is a powder. Using my other finger to kind of help. I feel like I just have a line of product. So I have to go out. I'm taking my highlighter brush and I'm just gonna use circular motions with the second shade where I want it, because I wonder if it would apply well with a brush. So I'm gonna use the same brush to go in with the cream base. I might regret it, but it might be better. And I'm just gonna, yeah, I wish I would have used this. Oh, God damn it. Oh, yeah, I like it better with a brush than with my fingers. I wish, yeah, that is such a difference. Like, it looks more natural, and here's just like, hey, there's a line on your face. Oh well. It is what it is. I gotta go out and I cannot take this off. So, okay, and then I'm gonna go in. Oops, I am knocking stuff all over the place with the Maldives on top. Yeah, that is very, holy cow. I mean, I like it. Don't get me wrong. That is like, look at that! Oh my God. It's a very beautiful highlighter. I will give it that. I just feel like a crazy person a little bit. But that's right, you live and you learn, and now I know for next time. So I am gonna use this spray even though it goes against my better judgment because it has oils in it, but I really wanna try it. It's supposed to be super hydrating because of the oils. It has 13 natural essential oils. Hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous, dewy finish. Alright, we're gonna do it anyway. We're doing this. I will regret this, but I'm doing this for you. Just know that. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. Okay. That's a bonus. It came out very fine as well. I like it. There's no spots on my face. It didn't collect anywhere. So yeah, that's not bad. This box, I have to admit, was not as bad as I thought it would be. I feel like why my highlighter broke, I don't know. I'm surprised. Very surprised with this box because I still want to try the moisturizing primer. That sounds so intriguing within itself. But yeah, so that's this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which, hey, where's my bag? Why call it a glam bag if there's no bag in it? I don't understand. But whatever. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, a like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know about your favorite item about this box, or what did you get in your box. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.